Off the bat, guys, what we going with? The OGs or the newbies? What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And the Jordan 9 Olives is back, man. Yes, sir. I mean, since its hiatus, it came out 4 times since 1993. But since its hiatus, we have seen colorways try to mimic. And don't get me wrong, Travis Scott, this wasn't a bad mimic, man. Had the nice green, had the pocket here. Very dope. But the Jordan 9 Olives is so classic. Like, this is a pair Mike never even played for. When these came out, this was his first retirement, 1993. But yet the colorway still hit so hard. Like, when this sneaker come out, this is the one where you gotta go get the kiddos a pair. So they could feel how you felt in 93 or 2000 and something. Or 2000 and something again. I can't remember the dates. Look at this picture of AD. Now, if y'all know Anthony Davis, he plays for the Lakers. Right now, he has dreads. He's taller. I don't even think his unibrow connect anymore. Look at that picture. He was a rookie there rocking the 9s. So that shows you how many times it came out. But whenever a pair like this come out, this colorway, I gotta do it for the kiddos, man. Hit the B-roll. Soundtrack. Yes, sir, man. Such an iconic pair. And the quality looks good from what I've been looking at it, man. So as I told y'all, Mike didn't wear these on court, but these are off-court colorway. Like, off-court, these is fire. Matching this is so dope. Mike did wear them off the court. That's how classic they are, man. I've been dealing with a crazy cold. I was supposed to get this video to y'all last week. The Wu-Tangs. So much stuff. I'm still dealing with the cold, but the show don't stop, man. Let's get it. Let's unbox them. Hit the music. Unboxing time. Yes, sir. I remember when this glossy box, black on the gray, first debuted. It was around the 9s, the 10s, even the 11s caught a bit of this. If you see sometimes the 11s come in this, because it was around that era. I think even the Bugs Bunnies, the 8s was in this era too. But for sure, the 9s and the 10s caught a bulk of this box. Nice glossy box, says Jordan. Got your red Jordan Jumpman there. The back has all the bells and whistles. I think every logo ever meant to Nike is on this joint here. Nike is there. And it reads Air Jordan 9 Retro Black True Red Light Olive. We always miss the true red with the olives. And you flip open the lid. You get that black plastic bag, bodega bag, tissue. Let's start with the right shoe, guys. Here's a 360 view of the Jordan 9 Olive 2024, guys. Yeah, you got to put the true red in it. The red makes it pop. They should have added a little bit more red, but they kept it OG. You'll see. Toe box here. Soft, guys. Soft toe box. Premium leather. The 9 is one of my least favorite Jordans because of the toe box right here. Gets bent out of shape easily. Right there. But we got all kind of technology now to make that not work. Got the crepe. All kind of stuff now. But soft black leather, guys. Around there, that's where the olive starts. Oh, man. Like the dark action on the olives. Soft material, guys. Quality, man. 1993, like, they embodied this, man. So around the olive, you get that dope Jordan 9 look. That silhouette, very dope, man. This is giving me 98 vibes. Yeah, man, got your Jordan Jumpman there, little baby Jordan Jumpman in that true red. And the 9 silhouette was just super dope, man. All black leather at the top. The toe. I'm telling y'all, I'm sick, guys. The tongue, black mesh, man. OG. They kept that OG. This was dope when it first premiered on the 9s too. The shoelace lock holders. That was new when it first debuted, man. It still looked pretty as ever. The top of the tongue, Jordan logo there. Air Jordan, right? Yeah, Air Jordan, not upside down neither. Skinny 9 tongue. They kept it OG, guys. Let's go to the inside. Same as the out. Look at that olive green, though, guys. I want y'all to just see the olive green, man. Very dope. I wonder why they just ain't call it army green, but let's get to the back. In true red, you get that Jordan World logo there. I remember when that logo came out also, it was like, that's when the first phrase came out, made from the greatest player in the world. That's where that world with the Jordan Jumpman logo came from, in that true red. Then you get 2, 3 at the bottom in the same color, olive. They could have made that true red too, in my opinion. But yeah, man, I like the stitching there. But look at the olive, man. This olive material A1. Not a glue stain yet, guys. The material's A1 on this shoe, guys. The bottom sports that big Jumpman logo. And I remember being a kid in like grade school. We was trying to find out what the hieroglyphics meant here and all that. And then you had the same word here in different languages. I can't remember. That was years ago. Let me look now. Yeah. Intenso, Liberty, Muti. I don't know. It looked like a lot of Latin words. But you get all that in there at the bottom, along with the hieroglyphics. The inside just has a Nike Air logo, giving you like a Jordan 1 vibes there. Nothing's different in there. This sock liner was one of the best, guys. One of the best. When you was a kid, this pull tab just helped you put the sneaker on. Now it's just style. I really like it. But this sock liner was one of the best when it came out on the 9s. That's why I really tried to keep my powder blue joints, because like the 9s is a special shoe. Here's the left shoe, guys. Nothing changed from the right. The olive is still hitting all over the shoe, guys. All over the shoe. The olive is in place. Again, with the toe box, you get that problem here right there. That little creasing right there, man. That's just something you just got to live with, I guess, when it comes with the 9s. But, yeah, man. But I want to get an up close of this leather, man. This black leather right here is A1, guys. A1. The inside, let's get to the inside of the silhouette of the shoe. For some reason, I mean, I know it's basketball reasons, but the technology on every Jordans, the inside always comes in like this. With the 11s, you got like that carbon fiber look. With the 9s, you got this look. So I know it was something to help Jordan on the court, but that's just something to point out. I never really understood what these arrows meant, but if you know they little arrows, I never really knew what it meant, but super dope, by the way. And as a bonus, here's a little preview or review of the PS colorway. Nothing's changed. They still get their true red there and the true red there. So they didn't kind of like skip on the things that we got as adults. But yeah, almost the same thing. Yes, sir. In the comments below, I really want to know which one would you go with. The 9s or the olives we got earlier, the Travis Scott 1s. I mean, you'll be surprised. Like when the 6s came out, the Olympic 6s and those sat, I knew it was kind of over for us OGs. But I knew early. I remember a couple years ago, maybe 3 years ago, the He Got Games came back out and they sat. And I was like, yo, that OG era might be over. Because these are some of the sneakers that like shaped my childhood, man. Olive 9s, man, I couldn't get them when they first came out. I remember I was bummed out about them, but My mother doubled back and got them for me the second time. So these always going to have like some kind of memento in my heart. But these olives is hitting too. So I'm not mad either way y'all go, guys. Funny story about these, right? I knew I didn't want to enter too many raffles because I knew they were going to sit. And I probably would have been stuck with like 8, 9 pairs. So once Sneakers and Stuff told me I won about 3 days before release date, I tried to run down every raffle I entered. And I missed one. I missed the Foot Locker one, but that was pick up in store. I just didn't pick it up in store. Everybody who wanted a pair should have a pair, man. They're available. I'm still seeing sold links. Hit them up. Sizes added. So they there, man. 210 price tag. I think I paid $230 or something from Sneakers and Stuff with the shipping and all that, man. For OG, I'm not mad, man. Resale is under, of course, but whatever, name a Jordan that dropped this year that didn't sit. Air Jordan, Jordan brand, Nike, they're making enough sneakers so the resellers can't make no money and everybody could get their pair. And I'm like 60-40 on that line, man, because you do love to get a sneaker that's sold out, but you do love the ability to get a sneaker. So, I mean, it's to each your own, man. Y'all let me know how y'all feel about this. I'm going to double back with that Wu-Tang video. I got some Supreme stuff. I got a whole bunch of stuff. I'm just trying to get healthy, guys, man. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching. Everybody, get rich.